how and what and why of a retirement planning is very important. So most of the time when we take care of a retirement planning process and on options, I have noticed this very common question, okay? Because I go for a lot of customers call, I go for most of the time, I have been going in corporates and all, and this is retirement is so far, Rachna. Why you're talking about retirement plan? I have not even started earning and all this stuff. And when I go and meet 30, 35 years old people, and they say, Rachna, why you didn't meet me before? If you must have met me before, no, we must have started. Now I don't have enough time. So what is a retirement? The retirement is not that what we used to think previously in our parents' time, ki okay, we will have after 60 sit at home and watch TV with a nice cup of tea and coffee, and I have done it. Retirement to us is do what you like to do, but without having in a mind that I need a financial or a salary to run the house. That is a retirement planning. So anybody who comes to me first to talk about, Rachna, you do the retirement planning, my first question to them is always not that, okay, we have to make the funds. Of course, you have to make alternative funds, which will give you the income. But what you will do after retirement planning? Because you know that the average people started asking me retirement planning at 50 to 55 to retire. And if we think now on an average, we are living 80, 85, what I'm going to do 35 years? So I don't know how many of you know or not. Last 15 days, we all were COVID positive, and then last Saturday onwards, I started working. That was my first webinar after I missed 1st May. And I was trying to say that time, it's a simple thinking of what, and I was just thank God for the blessings and all, because we all were positive. So full house was open for us. Okay. So we didn't have a room quarantine. And for me, first 3 days, because all other 4 people didn't have the result, I got the result first. So first 3 days I was in a single room, and I was telling, keeping yourself in the single room and just thinking in a retirement, how it will work. And I start thinking that it is much tougher to, you don't have a problem with the money, you don't have a problem with the food, shelter or anything. How to make your mind occupied, very important. And that's what I've been telling everybody whom I know. Retirement planning is, base is of course to make sure that your lifestyle works, your monthly income, whatever you want, household is coming. But you make sure that what you are going to do retirement is one thing. So I think so 1 or 2 years back, we were writing a policy, retirement policy for Right Horizons, and there it says that we will have a 58 years old, a person will retire. And then I went to Anil and HR. I said, no, I don't want that as a part of it. Please write it as a one disclaimer clause that if the management want, they can continue to work. Because I said, if I am fit and fine, I wanted to work till my deathbed. Why I should not work for it? Because I love my job and I like the meeting people, making them to understand and achieve their goal. That's my life all about. So retirement is, please try to understand, you want to do what you like to do. It can be, like I keep saying, okay, we wanted to do some charities. I wanted to go and meet people. I wanted to do some teaching. A lot of our customers have started going and wanted to utilize their knowledge for others. They are being part of a startups. They know that they cannot afford it, so they are just part of a startups to grow them, how to make them do better. So that's where we all have to realize that one is a retirement planning on financial, and another one is how we are trying to take care of it. This is the best story we can ever have it, which talks about Anil has made his mind. As I told you, we always do that because we both are the classmates. So I know him 8 years, means from the college, we both are the college classmates. So he told us that he wants to have his own company by 35 because he doesn't want it to work under somebody, or he doesn't want to work on the corporate life. And I remembered in 2000, I'm talking about 98, we all 94 batch. So that time, all of us, my parents, his parents, and everybody thinks that salary job is a better because you will get a constant salaries and other things like that. And we both, coincidentally, we both were doing good also. And of course, that was an all-time hit for the 90 side. So we all were doing very good and getting good salaries, high ESOPs, whatever you can think of. So when he says that I wanted to start my own, my both the side parents, my parents and his parents says, no, why, when you're doing so good, why you wanted to start, and business is always having a lot of issues and all this stuff. So I remembered what he has done it, and that's what I want all of you to do it. He has given his time till 35, age 35, and till date, you will not believe it, I have never used my salary till date. I've been working, this is my 26th year, I've never used my salary. He is been saying that he will make sure that corpus will make sure that our lifestyle works the same way, and we will not have an issue even if I start with. So he planned, and or we planned from the time we started working, and he wanted to retire at 35, and there was no insurance or pension plans which give the payout at 35. That time it was only allowed at 45, and that's why we started getting at 45 now. So we made sure that we have the corpus and alternative income, that if the things doesn't work well, 5 years we will not have an issue. So that's what he says, that I will make sure that I will run this company for 5 years. And if the 5 years it didn't come back, I'll go back to the salary. So let me make sure that I have a corpus for 5 years, which is not going to impact ourselves and the family and other things. And God grace, it went very well. So he retired, first of all, whatever corpus was needed, he was able to create 5 years earlier. So he retired at 30. So he started the company at 30, not at 35, what was the goal based. Second thing is, because it went well, so at 5 years, instead of he quitting and going back to the job, it went other way around. I quit the job and joined him. So from last 12 or 13 years, I'm been in a Right Horizons. Of course, it's always easy. People keep saying I'm being an IT person, how I went. So I always tease and tell people, see, when you're husband's company, no, you don't need an interview and you get a director. So I was one of those people, lucky person, that I didn't have to write the interview or do, and you get the major stakeholding in the company also. So in that's a joke apart, but I'm trying to say that this is what I want all of you to do. So for him, I'm not saying that he doesn't work, but he likes his passion to work. Now he's driving this company and he's love, and I think so he may work more than 14 to 15 hours, but he loves working that. So you do what you like to do. So similarly, I want all of you to start thinking when you want to retire. You don't have to worry that, okay, if I want to retire, as on today, my household income is around, expenses around 40 or 50K. How to build that 50K approximately when I retire? Then I don't have to worry what I'm going to do. So this holiday plans and other things, people have been saying that, okay, if I retire, what we will do it? Is it I have enough salaries or not? Salaries or not salaries are the mindset. As long as you're getting through interest, your pension, your annuity in your bank, it's good enough. We have to realize how we are going to do. So today we were in the breakfast time, we were having a chit chat and finding it out. And I said that things are moving different. So a lot of people nowadays in the retirement, they wanted to go to their native place or the place where it is not so crowded. And they're saying, Rachna, my household income is required only half of them or 2/3 of that. So we have to not necessarily change the lifestyle. Make sure with the same lifestyle, how I can create the corpus is what I'm going to do. Guys. And we need a retirement because we are not so good in a retirement system in India. These are the few part of it. So I'm going to take it a little faster on because the process is a little longer. We don't have a social security. Pension and gratuity is not enough for making sure our post part of it. Inflation is always the biggest thing. We never realize it. And your monthly income today or expense today is always going with additional zero if you do adding of the inflation. So if you see the inflation, PPF and others are been reducing, and there is not so far where we will see even PPF rates are going to 6.4 because they did it and then they reverted back on 31st of March. But you should not forget one more thing. That's another thing I've been trying to tell people is investment on inflation is one thing. What about our lifestyle index? Our lifestyle index is much, much more bigger because I don't think so. Any one of us must have done the restaurant and fine dining before and all this stuff. We don't think so. We have gone with the international brands, taking a lot more things than what. So on that day, my daughter is still in the degree second year, and I was looking at her. Almost all friends have the iPhone and Apple data gadgets, and I was telling how come they have so much and all. No, their parents and other ones has given, and I was very surprised to know that the standard of living of the people and expectation of the kids and others have gone so high. Even now also I will always tell to Anil, I'm not good in online, so I'll ask him if my phone is not okay, you give it to me something, because my phone is to just to call and WhatsApp to check. I don't want any other data on, I don't know how to use it. So even 10 to 12,000 bucks is okay, but the things of lifestyle into the next generation and people have gone much high. You will surprised to know, before when we used to do the financial planning, vacation was not as must. People say, okay, if I'm able to achieve, then I'll go for a vacation. Now things has changed so much. People comes and tell me, no, Rachna, vacation is a top priority. Because when I'm old, I don't know how to do. And most of the people want a vacation for 15 to 1 month, which is around 5 to 10 lakhs in a year. Okay. So lifestyle has changed so much. So you need to make sure when you are taking care, how to make sure not only inflation, but your lifestyle also. And retirement planning is becoming much, much more important part, because the previous generation versus us have a totally different lifestyles coming. Like I can say previously it was a simple living, okay, and now the lifestyle of things has gone very high. You can see, like yesterday I was going through another person and they are constructing the house, and I said, how's the things going on? And they says, yeah, we have made the last top floor only as a home theater, which is for 30 people. And I told, why you have to get for a theater, full has come here, 30 people, why you need it? This thing, no, we can have the parties and other things. And I was very surprised that people have gone into that league. So one full floor has been making as a home theater, which is with the isolation of the sound and other things and all this. So a lot more people have started spending time, money, and energy on lifestyle. Our nuclear family is another part of it. We have a longevity more than 85 years, much, much more, because our medical systems are doing so good. Our interests are going low. Nowadays, you will surprise to know the FD with the interest, if I minus it, I will be at 3.5 to 4%, which is same as some of the companies as a SB account. So that is the way it has been happening. So we need to take care of all these while doing retirement planning.
Today, Mr. Anil Rego is one of the most well-known financial advisors in the country.
Anil Rego, CEO and founder of Right Horizons.
And getting Anil Rego, founder and CEO of Right Horizons, who joins us right
From
now.
a Bangalore studio, Anil Rego, CEO, founder, Right Horizons.